Most people think the difference between a $250,000 backyard and a $1 million backyard is features. The real difference is in the planning, the execution, and how the space functions over time. And in this video, I'll be breaking down what truly separates these two levels of backyard design. At around a $250,000 budget range, backyards are built around a primary purpose. The layout's focused around doing a few things really well. The space may be built around entertaining or relaxing, but everything supports that core use. These projects require smart prioritization. Homeowners are making decisions about what matters most and what can be simplified. When done right, the result is a backyard that feels cohesive, functional, and enjoyable. And you can do all of this without being overly complicated. As the budget increases, the design approach really starts to shift. Instead of building around a single purpose, the space begins to support multiple lifestyles. At the $1 million level, the backyard is no longer treated as a separate project from the home. It becomes an extension of the overall living space. Movement through the backyard feels natural, transitions feel intentional, and every area feels connected. Another key difference is the amount of time you spend on planning. Higher level projects invest heavily in how the space will be used. Scale also plays a role, not just in size, but in proportion. Spaces feel balanced, open where they need to be, and intimate where it matters. The biggest difference is not what you see, but how the backyard feels to use. At these higher levels, the space anticipates how people move, gather, and relax. And it does all of this without needing an explanation. And that is what creates a truly elevated outdoor living experience. The biggest takeaway is that a bigger budget does not always mean a better backyard. If you're planning a backyard and want help understanding what level of design makes sense for your backyard, this is exactly the conversation we have with clients at Evoscapes. For more insights on outdoor living and to see how we approach our projects, subscribe and follow along.